Good day everyone. So before we start our lesson or our discussion for this day, let us all rise and put ourselves into the presence of God. Our Heavenly Father, we praise and adore you this day. We thank you for being with us always, for providing our needs, and for giving us the knowledge that we may do things right within accordance to the divine will. Help us in our studies and protect us from any harm this day. Bless our parents, teachers, and loved ones. Amen. So, good day once again. I am Miss Lifaros Greco and I am going to be your mathematics teacher for this video. So, for your attendance, do we have absence for this day? Okay, very good. If none. Now, to formally start our discussion, let us first have our activity for you to be able to know or determine what will be our topic for this day. Okay, class, so what we have now is the set of patterns presented in the screen. So we have either shapes, numbers, fruits, any objects, and etc. So what you are going to do is to identify the missing terms in the given patterns. So what we have first is the clouds and the triangles. It is a continuous and repeated pattern of clouds and triangle. So what would be the missing term in the pattern? Okay, let's just follow the pattern. First, we have the cloud, the triangle, the cloud, the triangle, the cloud. Okay, have you identified already? So, the correct answer would be, yes, very good, a triangle. That's why the missing term in the pattern is triangle. So now class, how did you find the activity? Okay, thank you for your response. So what are the common problems or difficulties that you encountered in answering such patterns in our lesson? Yes, okay. Let's see. So do you have any idea what would be our lesson for this day? Yes? Okay, very good. So, our lesson for today is all about identifying missing terms in a pattern. So, how can we identify the missing terms, shapes, or numbers in a pattern? So, we can identify the missing term through making use of the given combination of continuous and repeated pattern. So let us discuss the pattern presented on the screen. The first shape is red heart, next is smiley face, and then the green heart. So let's just follow the pattern so that we can answer the following pattern. Second set includes the missing term, smiley face, green heart again. And the third set includes the red heart, smiley face, and the missing term. So now, do you already know the missing term? Okay, let's take a look at first on the first term. We have red heart. We can see that the first term in the pattern is the red heart. That's why the missing term in the second set before the smiley face is very good, the red heart. Now, another one, take a look at the picture after the smiley face. What have you observed? We can see that the next picture is the green heart. Now, we already know the missing term. That's why the missing term in the last set of pattern, particularly after the smiley face, is, yes, very good, the green heart. We can see in the illustration the given continuous and repeated patterns of pictures that the next shape in the last picture is the green heart, and the shape in the second set of pictures is the red heart. Next example, the first one is the missing term followed by the crescent and the plus sign. Sun, crescent, and the missing term. Now, take a look at the picture before the crescent. It shows the sun. That's why the missing term before the crescent is, yes, very good, the sun. And after the crescent, what is the missing term? Let's just follow the given continuous and repeated pattern. Therefore, the missing term after the crescent is the, yes, very good, the plus sign, crescent. And now, through the continuous and repeated pattern of sun, crescent, and plus sign, we already know the missing terms. Now for your application, because you already know how to identify the missing terms in a certain pattern, what you are going to do is to draw your own set of continuous and repeated pattern in your paper. So you will be given at least 5 minutes to finish your work. For your assessment, the direction would be fill in the blank the missing terms in every set of pattern. Okay class, it seems that you already mastered our lesson for this day. So, again, this is Lifa Rose Greco, your mathematics teacher for this day. See you again for our next discussion. Bye!